Hey, Mustache Man! Welcome to a video about how to fit wiper blades and make sure that you pick the right ones. So we're going to do some measuring, and we're also going to do some searching to see what is available out there, whether it's online or at the local hardware store or grocery store. These are the wiper blades. As you can see, they're not doing much good right there. So we can just flip them up like that, and what we need to do, we need to measure them to see what size we need. So that's a 27 inch right there, and the other is also 27 inches. Now you have to be careful, some cars have a smaller blade on one side. And the last thing you need to do before you go and buy wipers is make sure that you don't get too big a wiper. So that's 27. I'm right at the edge of my windshield right here. So if I went with a 28, I'm going to be actually on the paint. So that's not going to be good. So when I go to the store, I'm looking for a 27, or if they're only in even numbers, I'm going to look for a 26. I also did my due diligence already. I looked online and I looked at Rock Auto, which have wipers from about $5, $15 for the original manufacturer wiper blades, but you also have to pay shipping on that and tax, so you're going to be another $10-15 on shipping, and then it's going to take about a week to get to you as well. eBay, they're about $15 each, so about $30 plus shipping. So I looked at Amazon were actually the cheapest. They had some generic brands that were about $10 each to $15 each, but with Prime it was no shipping and it was next day. I'm on my way to the store to get myself some windshield wipers. I don't know if you can see it, but my windshield is a little dirty. It rained yesterday and I don't have good rubber on my wipers. Alright, we're at the Home Depot looking for wiper blades. The auto section in Home Depot, it's kind of small. You just stuck the essentials. They have a few wiper blades ranging from 16 to 28 inches. So they would have mine. They're $20 each for these Rain-X ones. And then if you look at the back of them, so the small J hooks and the large J hooks are what you normally find on most vehicles. The I and L pinch tab is what I have, and then the PTB is what the Mercedes and the Toyotas have. So this will actually fit all three different types. Right here, it's just a big block. So this is AutoZone. We're going to check them out and see what they got. Here we are. Got a lot of different options down here. Different sizes. They all say how long they are at the top, and then they'll have different sizes, quite a lot of options, different brands. Bosch are really good. O'Reilly's now, let's see what they've got. So they go from $20. Oh, they even have some $10 ones down here. $10 for the Master Pro. And we got the Bosch at 20. We got some at 27, Rain-X. So they're $5 more than Home Depot. 26. The Bosch Icons, which are pretty good. I've had those before. 31. And then they go up to the $40 range, just like AutoZone. Alright, we made it to Walmart. Let's see what they've got. It looks like they mostly have Rain-X. What they actually have is they have the book so that you can find out which ones actually fit your vehicle. Most of these Rain-X are $15 each. Okay. The Michelins are about $8 each. And then we have some in the 20, Rain-X in the 20, Michelin in the 20s. These ones have a little clip right here that you push on the side and you tilt out. Okay, just like that. On and off. Here's the design on the Mercedes ones I have. So it's just a clip you push in right here and it just slides into the slot. And done. Here is a new Toyota Tundra, and the wiper blades are just like the Mercedes. You push that button and they unclip. Like that. So this is the Ford right here. You just click this in and it's in. And then there's just a little tab underneath that releases it. All right, an exciting delivery arrived. We've got our new windshield wipers. Got them from Amazon. They were $10 each and they were free shipping with Prime. So, just gonna get them out. So yep, these have the clips for my model right there. And then this is just a protection for the wiper blade, just like that. Yeah, there's that nasty mess. So I'm just gonna pinch my tabs right underneath, right here. And then just pull it away, just like that. The next one, I'm gonna just put that in the hole right like that. And then I'm just gonna push this back bit in. There we go, Ice and Snow windshield wiper blades from Amazon. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, like the video. If you didn't, then don't. I'll try and put some more videos out soon. Thanks.